project called Safe Vision, where I have used artificial intelligence to detect whether the people are wearing masks or not. Like when there is a health crisis like COVID-19 pandemic, it is really important for the, especially for the government, to ensure that people are following the health regulations or not. So this system will help the governments to uh, to ensure that whether the people are wearing masks or not, using an intelligent way. A software can detect this, and it will reduce the work and workload for the humans, and also save some, will save some human resources. And sometimes using the human resources for ensuring that people are wearing mask or other, following other health regulations like social distancing, is sometimes risky, error prone, and expensive. So it is better to use an artificial intelligence if it will predict whether a person is wearing mask or not. And this is how it predict on the bulk of data. So here it is predicting like whether this person is wearing mask or not. So the good thing about this project is it is also following the privacy concerns. It is not saving data of the persons. It will just label whether the person is wearing mask or not. It is not saving their faces or any personal data anywhere. So I will go to the system. So here if we can see, I have run this real-time detection code window, and here yeah, it's my face. So is saying that I have not wearing mask, so it is detecting my face as well as it is detecting whether I have wear any mask or not. So now I will I there is no other person, so that I can check. Okay, on a mobile screen I will check whether the person is wearing mask or not. It also show the number, like how many people in the crowd, or it is very useful in the crowd, and it can be directly installed on the camera, CCTV camera, so that they can make sure how many people are wearing masks or following the safety regulations in numbers. And you can see the no mask is 1, that is me, and mask 0. If I use my mobile screen here, so it is now showing without, with mask. And like this can be installed in any public areas, public sectors like hospitals, schools, and even it is a detection. It can also ensure the other guidelines like social distancing and traffic management and etc. So thank you so much.